Faith today and I'm doing the popcorn challenge with my friends Hope and my sister. Hi guys. That's my sister's stomach. I'm sure you saw in it. S-U-M-M-E-R. AKA Hope's like my BFF. Well, she's my BFF, but AKA she's like my sister. Like another version of it. Also, known as. Stop! Hey! So let's get started with the popcorn challenge. So I'm gonna go first. I'm just here telling Hope off eating popcorn because we need it.
Say chubby body. Can I get some more?
I'm next. I'll get you with some popcorn.
I really want some popcorn. Oh my gosh, Tom! And next is it.
And that was the end of our video. Thank you for watching. And yes, I've only just finished swallowing the popcorn.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out LPX Mixy Styles. YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Musical.ly if you have it. And bye guys.